cutting up, keeping it real. Look, I did want to show y'all this. These are the Parmesan Crisps as they've come out of the oven and cooled. And literally, you just kind of break them apart and put them on your platter. And like, they're crisp. Like, they're so good. I'm gonna make one more batch, and I think I'm gonna put a little extra rosemary in them. But anyway, that's what they look like. But now look, I do have to tell y'all, talk about kitchen bloopers. I was on the phone with one of my really good friends earlier, trying to make a red velvet cake. Public service announcement. Don't get on the phone while you're making red velvet cake. Just saying. I had to throw them in the garbage can, and I've got to go to the grocery store to start over. Because I got everything in there, mixed it up, poured it into the pans, turned around, because there's so much stuff sitting out with all this cooking and baking. The 2 sticks of butter that went in it are still sitting here. Do y'all feel my pain? So I have to go back to the grocery store. Because you know, red velvet cake is not something that you just have the ingredients in your pantry all the time. Like red food coloring, cake flour, all that. So anyway, don't do it. Don't do it. But this is what the Parmesan Crisp looks like. As I said, these things that have been kind of, these nuts and stuff that fall off of it, once I'm done with this for the holidays, I'll put those in plastic bags and put them in the fridge and save them for salad toppings. But that's what they look like, Parmesan Crisp. Make it a great one. And remember, don't get on the phone with your BFF when you're trying to make red velvet cake. Have a good